The biggest mistake people make with Song of India is treating like a low light plant. It survives in low light, but it does not thrive there. This plant is actually a tropical Dracaena, and those bright yellow edges on the leaves need good amount of light to stay vibrant. Put it in a dark corner and it will start stretching, losing its color. Keep it near a bright window where it gets plenty of indirect light or a few hours of morning sun. In dark corners, growth becomes weak, colors fade, and leaves start dropping from the bottom. Now let's talk about watering, because this is where most Song of India plants suffer. Song of India stores some moisture in its thick cane-like stems, so it handles slightly dryness better than constantly wet soil. If the soil stays too wet for too long, the roots stop getting enough oxygen. This weakens the roots and the plant starts developing yellow leaves. So, do not water it on a fixed schedule. When you feel like watering, first check the soil moisture in the pot. Water only if the top 30% of the soil feels dry. And your pot must have drainage holes so the excess water can escape. If you're seeing brown tips, your plant is trying to tell you something. Usually it's caused by three things: lack of water, too much fertilizer, hard tap water. Dracaena plants are sensitive to salt and fluoride buildup in water. That buildup slowly burns the leaf edges. If possible, use filtered water, rainwater, or tap water with less minerals. Never let the soil bone dry, and fertilizing once a month is enough. Now about soil. Song of India hates compact soil. Roots grow best in a loose, airy mix that drains fast, while still holding a little moisture. For your own soil mix, garden soil, coco peat, and perlite works great. Also, you can mix regular potting soil, perlite, and some succulent mix for aeration. And don't overfeed it. Too much fertilizer can actually damage the roots and cause leaf burn. A light feeding once a month during active growing season is enough. One more important thing, rotate the plant every couple of weeks. Because Song of India naturally bends towards light. Rotating helps it grow fuller and more balanced instead of leaning to one side. And if your plant becomes tall and leggy, don't worry. You can prune the stem and new shoots will emerge from below the cut, making the plant bushy over time. When we prune plants, it forces itself to grow new branches that makes it more bushier and full of beautiful leaves. You can also propagate those cuttings in water. If you have any questions or doubts about the plant, drop them in the comments. Hope you like the information. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more houseplant care videos.